Morning, YouTube. I just had to run down and close the windows because it was sunshine and blue skies when I got home, and about an hour ago I thought I heard something. So I had to quickly come outside and well, I don't have to water the garden today, at least. Anyways. Oh well. Let me put some porch plants down while I'm out here. Like Spidey. I don't know if this one is going to need... Yeah, that one's going to need to be put down. I gotta go to Sam's Club and stuff. I don't know how long it's been raining for. I was just in my room eating, snuggling with Tiger, and there him is. There him is. Okay, so I'm gonna walk. Bay is doing the disc course. Here's numero uno. I am at 0.53. Almost, bud. He has a blue one. Elijah has like a reddish one, and I have a purple one. Mine's at home. There you go. Number 2 is over there, buddy. See it? All the way over. So, I have my 5K, so now I'm just working on getting miles. Do you see it, bud? So, Wyatt gets a lot more practice than I do. So, yesterday I registered Wyatt to come here for day camp. Due to food inflation, they did increase to 80 this year. So he is old enough to do overnight camp. Good job, buddy. Okay, come on. 3 is right there. 3 is over in there. You see where 3 is at, bud? Okay. I'm not going all the way over there. My bay! I will meet you by 3. Come on down. He is all the way up. You see the mosquitoes. It is humid outside. They're talking about adding 9 more to what's already here. There is number 3. So dynamic discs. So, I will send Wyatt to overnight camp if I have the money for it. Registration opens up in June. So close, buddy. So, it'd be awesome if I could find something for Elijah too. Hey, get it in the basket. Good job. Okay, next one.
Number 4.
Wyatt,
What?
come here. Are you excited about camp?
Yeah.
Yeah? Get your shoe back on.
I keep going to the bar.
So, I bought him some new swim trunks, some Minecraft swim trunks. I found some new shorts. I got that video I need to my Walmart and Sam's Club haul. I will get them that video uploaded whenever I get home, and then I'll work on finishing this one up and editing this one. So .59, yay. Landed in the weeds. All right, I am going to stop at the truck that is way over yonder and get a drink. And number 5 is over there. Actually, I said 5, I meant 4. Number 4 is right there because there is a sign. Number 5 is either continuing down this way or over there. I don't know. I know 8 and 9 are up that way. So, but I'm gonna stop at the truck and get a drink. I don't think he's gonna do all 9 holes. He's looking for his thingies in the bushes. Did you find it, buddy? It's stuck. Do you need help? Do you need help? Okay. I'm gonna help you. Alright, so I am obviously in my bedroom. I'm in my bed. I am trying to stretch my hips out, my lower back. I just got done eating and cooking and putting food away. And my lower back hurts, so just doing a couple of the stretches from yesterday. So, and then I'm going to email a friend of mine. I finally got the Walmart and I want to say Costco, but our membership is canceled. Sam's Club haul video up on my other channel. So, but anyways, we had spaghetti. All I had to do was cook the spaghetti sauce because I had made pasta, elbow macaroni pasta, like just buttered, the other day. So the plan was to make a new batch of spaghetti sauce for dinner tonight and just put the noodles in the microwave. So easy cooking. Everything was diced up and in the freezer. Well, the peppers and the other stuff, zucchini and yellow squash from that I did yesterday. Time to switch. All right, so that made it easy. I had gotten some more ground turkey, so I used that and froze the rest of it. I used to, like, I would get the Jennie-O ground turkey, the 5 pounds, where it's separated into 2.5 pound thingies, containers. And I used to get like 8 packages out of that, because I would split it in half, like each container, I would split it in half and then split it in half and put 1/4 of it in a bag. And then I went to Costco the one time and got some ground turkey, and they were in, what was it, 1.7 ounce, 1 pound 7 ounce container packages, and there was 4 of them. And I was like, you know what, let's start doing it, except it's like 1.25 pounds per package. So because I would grab 2 for spaghetti sauce, grab 3 for for turkey burgers. So anyways, I don't know if I'm going to go. My house is not haunted. He did this to me this morning. What do you smell? You got the loudest sniffer ever. Say hi. We may or may not have accidentally dropped some pasta on the floor. Tiger. Strange little dog. Are you better? Are you better? Why didn't you make me dinner? He doesn't cook for me. Taggy waggy. He's so mean and scary. Ferocious. Also so very lazy. Are you going to CP Seep? Oh, are you going to CP Seepy? But anyways, I'm going to go and edit this vlog and email a friend of mine, because we do that every day. Take this one OUT eventually. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.